So we are at Shiraito no Taki in Fukuoka Prefecture near Itoshima. As you can see, it's like insanely crowded. I didn't think it'd be this crowded, but it is Sunday, and I guess this is like mid-rainy season and it's not raining, so everyone's like, oh, let's go fishing. We all had the same idea, basically. I hope we can get some fish, because I'm kind of hungry. And yeah, it's something to do. Yes. Let it go, let it go. Did you forget the rest of the words?
I don't care about the words. I care about the, like, a feeling, the sense. Not the...
Can't say that. That's cut.
Shiraito no Taki literally means white string waterfall, and this one in particular is accessible all year round, and is officially recognized as a natural attraction here in Fukuoka Prefecture. The air is cooler up in the mountains, and come summer it becomes a tourism hotspot, introducing activities such as fishing in the riverbeds as well. For a lot of city kids, this is the closest to real fishing that they're ever gonna get, so it's no wonder that this spot is really popular with families. For 2,000 yen, or $20, you can rent a fishing rod, a bucket, and buy a bag of shrimp, and try your luck at catching the freshwater yamame. If you think that's a little pricey, don't worry. Even if you don't catch any fish yourself, you can return your fishing gear and get 3 yamame to take home with you anyway.
I don't think they're hungry. They look pretty uninterested. 実は多分これ朝からさ、いろんなお客さんが来て、もう慣れてるんじゃないの?
Since we arrived pretty late in the day, it seemed like the fish did not give a about eating. I was about to give up when...
捕まった。ごめんね。
How do you feel?
I feel really sad.
Why?
Like he was born to die. He was born to die. He was born to be our food. And like, they're all gonna die. But I still feel sad because it's a life. It's a life and we are going to consume it because we are humans and this is what humans do. やろうか、また。
Next up, it was Tatsu's turn to try and catch a fish.
すぐ取れたじゃん。ディープだね。あー、これはディープだよ。これ取れないかも。
取れない？
It's like on his tongue.
On his tongue?
Yeah, poor thing. 多分じいちゃんになんか取ってもらう。
焼きます？
そうです。あと焼くしかないんですね。
Once you're done fishing for the day, you can choose to take your freshly caught fish home with you, or exchange them for some salt-grilled yamame cooked right on the spot.
Now where's Tatsu?
It tastes like nature. It's like nature. I'm sorry to fish, but it's really good.
It's like you eat the bones, you eat the guts, you eat the skin, you eat the face, everything. And it's like, depending on what guts you eat, they can be kind of sour and bitter and gross. But I guess the greatest way you can respect animals that you catch to eat is by consuming all of them and not wasting parts of their body, so.
Although it was a bit crowded, it was so nice to breathe fresh mountain air. If you're looking for a simple day trip away from the city, Shiraito no Taki is close by and family-friendly fun. If someone had told me 10 years ago that I'd be living in a foreign country, working in foreign media, and speaking a foreign language, I probably wouldn't have believed them. But I guess, in reality, between then and now wasn't exactly a straight line.
何食べたの今日？
魚。髪の毛触ってる感じ。